I'm about to show you the hardest thing when it comes to fixing cars, and that is not the cars itself. It is the tools that you need. Having the right tools will allow you to fix just about anything. It doesn't matter if it's an electric car or a big old beat up truck. If you have the right tools, you'll be able to do the job. That is why I'm a huge fan of VEVOR. They make high quality tools for amazing prices. I got this entire 90-piece set for a very good price. You get your T20s all the way to the T55s. You get your extensions, 15, 10-inch, all the way down to the 3-inch. Plus your adapters, you get the swivel ones. That way you can reach all those tight spots. Amazing. You get the long ones, and you get the short ones, and you get the stars in an amazing case as well. Best of all, the prices are top notch. You can get the 90-piece, the 60-piece. There's so many different options to choose from. All the tools that you will need. Make sure you check out the link right there. Definitely check it out. Amazing prices, great shipping, and great quality. See you next video.